Hey, please, girl, I know you're mad, baby, but you go through days upon days of contemptuous thoughts that you keep in a little glass jar, leaving me in the cold. Will you ever let it out, or keep it all away from me? Open up to me, baby. Open up, let me in. Tell me everything, no matter what is making me go insane. Don't ever shut me out, honey. I've got to know what makes you tick, whispering things, darling. Girl, just let it all go. You should see your face when you get this way. You don't ever slow down when you shut me out. Just tell me to leave. Hey, what's with this attitude, baby? Just asking for my sake. Okay, whatever. I can tell you don't care. Just cut the shit.